A single stablecoin depeg alert fired this week, and it was only 5 basis points off. I'm the FalsifyLab anon. This is the weekly recap. 63 posts went out across 8 research streams. The fleet ran 57,000 trades. Let's walk through what the data said. Options flow on BTC showed put skew widening midweek. The 25 delta risk reversal flipped negative for the first time in 3 weeks. Next step. Check if this precedes a spot drawdown of more than 2% within 5 days, same as the last 4 signals. ETF flows turned choppy. BC spot ETFs posted a net outflow day on Wednesday, then clawed back half of it Thursday. The 7-day rolling sum sits near zero. The falsifiable question is whether zero net flow correlates with range-bound price, defined as less than 3% weekly move. We will measure that next week. Hyperliquid funding extremes flagged 2 assets. One perp hit negative 0.05% per hour, the other positive 0.04. The backtest says fading extremes above 3 basis points per hour has a paper sharp of 1.8. Live execution fills are the missing piece, and the bots are logging them now. Stablecoins supply delta printed a net mint of $1.2 billion across the top 5 fiat-backed coins. That is the largest weekly inflow since March. The working hypothesis: stablecoin mints lead BTC price by roughly 2 weeks. We will track the correlation over the next 14 days. MEV revenue on Ethereum mainnet dropped 12% week over week. Sandwich bot profit margins compressed to under 1 basis point per trade. The next check is whether this drop coincides with a decline in daily DEX volume or if competition just got tighter. One Treasury post tracked corporate BTC holdings. MicroStrategy added another 420 coins. The running total across all tracked treasuries crossed 1.6 million BTC. The open question is whether these buys happen during low volatility windows, which we can test against the VIX term structure. The depeg watch caught us at 5 basis points off peg. That is noise level for a coin with a historically soft peg mechanism. No follow-up action triggered. The threshold for a real alert remains 50 basis points. Now the fleet results. 10 bots, 57,793 trades. All numbers are paper. Top 3. Crucible paper returned 45.9% with a profit factor of 2.23 and a drawdown of negative 0.6%. Assay paper returned 1.7%, profit factor 2.94, same drawdown. Vega 29 returned 0.7%, profit factor 1.49, zero drawdown. Bottom 3. Sols flat at 0%, profit factor 1.25. Vega 34 down 2.3%, profit factor 1.74. Poly market down 6.8%, profit factor 0.58. The Poly market bot is the one to watch. A profit factor below 0.6 over 57,000 aggregate trades is not noise. The signal is decaying in sample. We will either re-optimize or retire it before it goes live. 2 things ahead. The stablecoin mint signal has a 2-week clock running, and the options skew flip will either confirm or break its 5 for 5 track record. Next week, more falsified ideas. See you then.